Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for coming. This is our trade for the day. Yesterday and today was quite an interesting day. The market went all the way up and then come down. You can see right here, it went all the way up and then come down. And then today too, it went all the way down and then decided to go up. So it was quite a volatile day. But for anybody who know a little thing or a little bit about trading would know that today being the third Friday of the month, third Friday of the month is always volatile. The volatility tends to be very high when it comes to that. Let me see if I would be able to hold that here. If I would be able to put that on the map here if possible, and you would see why. Am I seeing any? The last Friday, the third Friday of the month is always volatile. If I could pull that. Okay, so the expiration Friday right here. Now let's look at it. Let's look at expiration Friday. You will see, let's go all the way back to about a year. Look at it. The stock was going up. Look at what happened. It comes down on that third Friday of the month. Look at the calendar. Look at your calendar and see. See here, it was going up. When did it start going down? The third Friday. It was going up. What happened? That's when it goes down and it never went up all the way again. Now, look at here. Third Friday. This is our Friday. Look at it. It was going down. When did it start changing? You have to have that in mind. Now, we see that again. It's flat here, but this is where it made the decision to start going down. Here, it start going up a little bit, but you can see it changed direction here, even though it was not long lived, but it changed direction. Now, it continue here. We can see the changes down here, but not much. It doesn't have much effect. And here also, but you can see it comes down a bit and it moved. But here, even look at this one. Look at the candle size compared to all the other candles. The last time you have such a candle was here, was November 10th. Then you can see November 20, you get the biggest candle, and which is on that Friday and Monday. Here we see that last Friday was coming. What happened? And we can continue. So this is something that as a trader, you need to know that it's going to happen. You know that it's going to happen. And when for all this, look at here, it picks up. Here it was going down. That's when it changed directions. So on this, because of the fact that we made a new high, that enthusiasm, these two big candles suddenly limited the movement of it because of the resistance down here. Passing this level is a resistance. So not many people wanna put their money, risk their money because there is a significant resistance up here, including this. So therefore, you can see there's a less volatility on this. And not only that, but the news that comes out on the 15th about the inflation, that makes many people feel that okay, the market would go up. But still, that directional change, that volatility did not go. Now, after looking at this, what we are looking is the SPX. On this day, the place I marked, I joined, the beginning of the year, I went in and buy some stocks. I buy the stock, options. I trade options. I went and buy options. I've been away from the market for a while. Then at the beginning of the year, put some, I purchased some options. I didn't stay too long there. I make $500, then I get out. I travel outside the US. Then when I come back, I said, okay, the way the market is going too high up. So should I go in? Should I not? Then I went and get Microsoft. I buy Microsoft options. I buy Microsoft options around here. And all of a sudden the market start messing up. So the 500 that I collected before I travel, I end up giving it all back to the market. I end up giving back to the market. So last 2 weeks, about 2 weeks ago, right here on 5/6/24, I purchased a call. I purchased a call right here. I purchased a call, and you can see what it is now, 41.93. I purchased this call, and the delta is 78. When I purchased this call, as we come to this is my true statement. So I purchased a call right here. The trade price was $32.76. And what happened here? Look at the price now. Right now, I have about $900. Yesterday, I was saying, okay, the market is going to be volatile, but I will still stay until I get the signal that I need to get out. And since I did not see any signal that tells me that I need to go out, then I'm staying in this trade. In the coming days, I'll be recording my trade, and you can follow me if you want. I do not go in and out. I have a very boring trade system, but I am confident enough it can give money to anybody who follows it. I back tested it many times. Therefore, I believe that it can provide anyone some value if you follow my trades. Thank you, everybody. Let's look at the market. Let's look at the sectors a little bit. Here we see that the energy sector is picking up. Right there, the energy sector is coming up. Is that something that we want to go in? I don't know yet, but the energy sector is picking up right here. If I see the stock going down, I'll go for energy. In most cases, when the stock goes down, sometimes you would see that the energy will pick up, especially if there are issues outside the US. Now we look at the materials. Materials are going on a sideways, nothing there. Industrials, nothing much on the industrials. Consumer, no, I would never trade. I want to stay out of this. Now we can see that the consumer staple is moving. It's having sort of correlations with the SPY, or SPX. I look at SPY quite often than SPX. SPX, which is you can see the price on this ones on the SPX. So it's the 10th. It's a multiple of SPY. If you look at the price on this one, 5400, and you go to SPY, you would see 54. So this is 10 times, SPX is 10 times of SPY. So for small traders, use SPY. The big traders use SPX. If I go to a point that I can buy 10 of SPY, then rather you move to SPX instead of SPY. I try to focus on just one stock. That's it. Actually, I have many things. I pay a lot of people. Look at how they trade. I haven't seen anyone who makes money I you I went to a lot of them, and then I watch a lot of videos. Uh, Most of the people that tells you they make money, especially the day traders, day trading gurus, they will take your money, and then you would lose. But it's good because that's your tuition fee. We all, for those who went to universities and things, you have to pay money before you get that education, and then getting that education doesn't guarantee you a job. And after getting that job, you are not guaranteed that you would you will be promoted, or you'll be able to pay your student loan. Those are all part of life. So you would lose money. You would lose a lot if you're just starting. You have to know that. I haven't seen anybody who started trading and they became a millionaire. All the ones you see, they are not. You know how they make money? Came to realize that the courses they sell to people, the things they sell to people is how they make money. They don't make money trading. They don't. Yes. Tell them to show you their uh, statements, their trade statement, the actual trade statement, the actual one. Just like here, you come in, you look at, you said, okay, this is what he had today, $28, and this is what he had, 950, and this is his year to date. Yeah, because I didn't trade anything. I just started. The ones that I had, 500, I took it, went outside the country, come back, um, give it all back to the market. So I just started again. But if they are real, let them show you this. If they don't do that, chances are they are just making money by selling you those courses, but they don't make any money. I followed this thing for many, many years, and I know that's what happened. If you want to make money, follow my trades. You would certainly. Right now, I'm in the trade. I was thinking this would go down more. I'm waiting for it to go down more, but possibly on Monday, this balance here, this 3,000 that is sitting here, I'm going to buy another, I'm going to buy another option. So I'm going to go all the way back to 154 days. I want to see if I can get a 3,000 around here. So it'll be a delta of 69, 69 or 72 around this end, then I'll buy and I'll hold it. You would see every day you pay about $9. It's a rental. You pay a rental fee, administration fee, rental fee, or whatever you call it, is the trader. So you lose. You lose this much. But again, chances of the stock going up is high. When you get to a certain level that you see that okay is just going on a sideways, there's no reason why you need to stay in. You get out. If it breaches um, this moving average, I would determine, okay, should I get out? If it goes in and then breach this particular, just like here, you can see, I was gonna go in this trade. I was in Microsoft when this happened. Then I wait. I said, I'm not gonna go in. I'm not gonna go in. I wait. I'm looking at, you can see this simple moving averages, the moving averages. When it break out of those, I said, okay, it's time to go in. Then I went in on this particular day because these are little topping tails or the dojis or whichever you call it. It's indecision. So I should not risk myself and my money to go in. But when I see a full candle here, I said, yep, it's time to go. Then I jump in. I've been in it from this up to here. If you look at this amount, 3,276, and you look at what I have right now, if you separate the two, or if you uh, do your calculation, you add those together, that would give you this price. That would give you this stock price here. That will give you this option price here, right there. If you do your calculation, you will see that's it. I purchase it, and this is where it is. I'll continue showing you. Trade with me. Thank you. And we're just starting on YouTube, so